Tracker calibration. To begin calibration, click on the Tracker Calibration button in the top middle of the screen. Position the calibration artifact in the on-screen poses. The left side of the screen will indicate the height of the artifact, while the right side of the screen will show the distance away from the tracker. Red arrows will appear to guide you to the position of the next pose. Follow the on-screen image to angle the calibration artifact in the correct orientation. Scanner calibration. To begin calibration of the scanner, click on the Scanner Calibration button in the top middle of the screen. Place the calibration plate inside the designated red area. Calibration can proceed once the square turns green. Point the scanner at the calibration plate to begin. Follow the on-screen poses, using the crosshairs as a reference for orientation and depth. Probe calibration. To calibrate the probe, click on the Probe Calibration button in the top middle of the screen. Be sure to have Using Tracking Calibration toggled on. Place the calibration artifact in the designated red area. Once the area turns green, take the probe and place the probe tip in the calibration artifact. Match the poses that you see on screen.